you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show 'em who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. As always, I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Thank you for joining me on this video today. If you are a first timer to the channel or a first timer to learning the Strat, we are about to change the way that you guys trade. Okay, if you haven't done so already, you can click that subscribe button down below and then hit that bell. When you hit that bell, it gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every day. This is our top 5 plays for Friday, May 20th. It's Lotto Friday. So I send these out every Friday. I send out top 5 plays every single day. I send out bigger watch lists every single day, informational videos, motivational videos, learning tools, like the 4-part playlist that I've got for the 30 and 30 setups, 3-1 setups. I have videos on what these candlestick numbers mean, entry and exit videos, videos on how to manage your trades because people have asked for that. Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% rule, I've got a video on that. Inside bars, outside bars, all kinds of other things, guys. So go check out those other videos. You can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. You can give me a follow there. You can ask me anything there. There are no dumb questions. You can DM me the question if you want. You can comment there. Follow along with me on Twitter. You can also click this Clark Griswold face down here. That will also subscribe you to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, let's get this thing started. The top 5 plays for Friday, May 20th, Lotto Friday. Okay, so the first one on the list, and these are in no particular order, we've got Spy. So I talked about this in the main watch list. There's a lot of these little shooter candles with this big long wick and this body down here. So we had a 2 down, a 2 bar breaks either the high or the low of the previous candle. So in this case we broke the low, but we finished green, so it does give us probability that we may go up higher tomorrow, but we also do have this shooter candle. So there's a little bit of conflict there. The day is green, but everything else is red, so we also have some conflict there. But again, guys, if we break this trigger of 394.16, we can jump in this trade with calls, or if you want to buy common shares, which is just a regular 1 share at $394.16, or you buy your options and that's where you trigger. For expiries, I take the closest expiry I can. For tomorrow, it will be Friday. Okay, and for the strike price, I usually get just outside. So for SPY, it's going to be $3.95 on this one is what I'll take. First target's at 403.80 at the top of the preceding wick. So target 1, target 2. Okay, so that's SPY. Next up, we've got NEO. This is one of my favorite stocks along with SPY to play. Inside bar on NEO. So inside bars, when I first started trading options, when I got good at trading options, I focused on trading just inside bars, and it works on any time frame. Okay, it doesn't work 100% of the time, but they work really well. So an inside bar or a 1 bar does not break the high or the low of the previous candle. We stay within the range of the previous candle, okay? And what that does is it shows consolidation within the ticker or the stock or the ETF or whatever we're looking at, okay? So it acts as a spring, like in a mattress or a bed, and it coils and it's getting tighter, tighter, tighter and ready to explode. And if we go back in history and look at past inside bars, how they work, this would have been your trigger here, but we opened down here, so we wouldn't have had a play. Okay, but if we go back, inside bar, down. That's a 3-1 setup, but still an inside bar. Inside bar, break to the downside. Inside bar, nice break to the upside. We can go back and we can do these all day long. Inside bar, we would have opened here, came all the way up for a nice win. Inside bar, look at this play here. Great. So they don't work all the time, but when they do work, they tend to work really well. But that's why we have stop losses in place. We don't just buy and let it run and hope for the best. We're no blindfolds here, okay? We're watching what we're doing. So on Neo, inside bar, we can take the break of this trigger here at 1689 to go long, take calls or common shares. Our first target or order of magnitude is not great. It's only 4 cents. So watch that. The next target is way, way up here. And I wouldn't put it past Neo to come this high in a day. Neo tends to have really big runs, whether it's to the upside or downside or both. I've seen it go 10% low to the downside and finish 10% to the upside. So it's one of the reasons I like playing Neo. It has really, really large swings. And if we go to the downside, our trigger is 1578 for puts. That's our first target there. We have about 12 cents on that one. And then our next target would be right there. So that's play number 2. Play number 3 is Paramount Global. I did look at the spread between the bid and the ask, and it looks pretty tight. There's only about 3 pennies on a 50-cent play for this. So we can take the trigger here at $32.86 and take our first target at the top of this green line. It's about, what do we got there, 40, 50, about 60-cent play there. And it doesn't sound like a lot, but when we're talking options, that's a really nice play there. So we can take calls on this one at $32.86 on Paramount Global. AMC is up next. AMC, another inside bar, but we do have that hammer candle showing up. The day and the week is green, which I like to see. If you're looking for this indicator here, you can click here on your indicator tab on TradingView, type in time frame continuity, author is Board Rider B. If you are looking for the candlestick numbers, the 2s, the 1s, and the 3s, that's candle type, the Strat by Crinklebein. And if you're looking for these white outside bars or yellow inside bars, you can type in TW Holy Grail or TW Golden Indicators by Trading War Zones. That's Rich from Trading Wars. You follow him on Twitter as well. He doesn't talk about the Strat, but it's very, very similar. Okay, I have these green lines on here. I'll show you what that is. If we go to the 30-minute chart, we had a triple inside bar play here. Okay, and it was crazy. You don't usually see these. These double inside bars are rare. Triple is even more rare. So this is where we got in, and we hit 2 targets, and it automatically reversed on us. I think this was a 46. I had 2 of these at the same time, AMC and DIA. One of them was, I think, 46. The other one was 15%. I'd have to check back on Twitter. I think it was 15 and 46. Okay. I think this was the 15%er. DIA was a 15%er. Anyways, you can go back and look at those and look at DIA as well. 3 inside bars don't happen very often. You'd be hard pressed to find another one. Commonly anyways. Okay, so we'll go back to the daily here. Daily inside bar, we can take calls on AMC at 1349. Nice magnitude to the upside here. 1423 is the target, or we can take puts at 1266. 1251 is your first target. Day and the week are green, so look for AMC tomorrow. That is 3-4C. Citigroup is number 5 on the list. 2 down, finish green. Day, week, month are green. So we'll see how this one plays out. We can take a trigger for calls at $50.30. And then let's give you a couple bonus plays here. AFRM, 2 down green. We can look for calls at 27.07. And I believe if we hit first targets and beyond, I thought we would trigger on the monthly, but we are already down on the monthly from back here. So regardless of that, we have the day and the week green. We have a 2 down that finish green, so we can look for calls on AFRM. And the last one we're going to go through, guys, here is XEL. XEL had a 2 down green. We've got full time frame, day, week, month, quarterly, yearly are all green. We keep on tagging the top of this broadening formation. and keep getting higher highs. So let's look for calls on XL Energy at $75.46. Your first target is right there, 75.71. Guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. I send out setups on there during the day. I sent out those inside bars, that triple inside bar that I was talking about. I sent those out to everybody before they even materialized for you guys. A bunch of you guys had DM'd me and sent me comments saying you hit it. Awesome. Okay, so check out the 30 and 30 videos as well for intraday trading. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you're subscribing to the channel so you get all my videos that I send out every day. And we will see you on the next one, guys. Good luck on Lotto Friday, and have a wicked good weekend. Bye-bye.